Review a novel as exemplary as Les Miserables and talk about a personality par excellence in Victor Hugo takes immense cognition of art and literature. My thoughts, not review, on him and his revolutionary work of art in two very definitive sentences. Create or make art, and hope. Hope springs eternal in mine and your heart. Create or make art, and hope. Hope springs eternal in mine and your heart. 48 books and 365 chapters. Approximately 1500 pages in unabridged English language and 1900 pages in French. That's Les Miserables for you folks. Hugo explained his ambitions for one of the longest novels ever written to his Italian publisher. I don't know whether it will be read by everyone, but it is meant for everyone. It addresses England as well as Spain, Italy as well as France, Germany as well as Ireland, the republics that harbor slaves as well as the empires that have serfs. Social problems go beyond frontiers. Humankind's wounds, those huge swords that litter the world, do not stop at blue or red lines drawn on maps. Wherever men go in ignorance or despair, wherever women sell themselves for bread, wherever children lack a book to learn from, Les Miserables knocks at the door and says, "Open up, here I am." The book which the reader has before him at this moment is from one end to the other, in its entirety and details, a progress from evil to good, from injustice to justice, from falsehood to truth, from night to day, from appetite to conscience, from corruption to life, from bestiality to duty, from hell to heaven. The starting point, matter; destination, the soul. The Hydra at the beginning, the angel at the end. Fills me with immense pride to present a poem in the backdrop of our own revolutionary celebrations in Republic Day on a revolutionary whose work of art will never cease to exist. A 16-line poem consisting of 4 quatrain stanzas, trying to bridge the gaps of humanity and giving a reflection on the social and political loopholes that still finds a way through the web of our strong democratic environment. The central theme of Les Miserables, which holds true some 200 years after it was first published. Lost quintessence. Quintessence as in soul. An empty soul, an empty place, finding life amongst all that is dead. Memories rekindled, pictures on screen, lost art of real touch and feel. Different people, different religions, fighting for land that doesn't exist. One world, the idea of mankind, failed ideologies that we preach. Leafless trees, shallow rivers, the neglected world that nobody sees. But the principle of beauty is in a few things. Success for one, caress for some. Waiting for miracles to happen, the day that won't ever come. It's time, be the change you crave, rewrite the world without haste. Thank you.